Yay!
Very good! Yay! Successful! Galing niya, anak mo. Mag-isa lang siya. Yun pa, pasok mo. Yay! Very good, baby! More, more, more! Galing niya, oh. Ah! Oops! Bright, baby. Okay, solve the puzzle. Put the ring in. Okay, very good. Okay, try it, try it. At the center. Very good. Clap your hands. Very good. More, more, more. The red one, the red one. Okay, the blue one again. Very good. Oh, yun, she has her own style. Very good. Okay, how about the red one? The smaller ring, the smaller ring. Put the smaller ring, baby. Big trial and error. Bright, baby princess. Very bright. You can solve it by yourself. Very good. Oops. Don't throw it. Very good. Okay. Go! Very good, baby. Very good. You're doing it by yourself. The red one. Put the red one. Naku, hindi niya alam ni binibidyo natin siya. Wow, very good, baby. Very good. You make me happy. The smaller one, yan. Pink. Very good. How about the blue one? The blue, the small. Okay, you're going to complete it. Trial and error, oh. From... Naku, nag-trial and error siya, oh. Mika, tingnan mo, oh. Pinagsusunod-sunod niya, tinanggal niya ulit. Mag-isa lang siya. Nabuo niya kanina, yung blue lang din niya, kasi hindi nang kasya, at tinanggal niya ulit. Dapat kasi yung isa pang kulay. Parang may kulang yung violet. Teka lang, don't talk. Pinipilit niyang pagsunod-sunod rin, eh. Oh, wala, may kulang kasi kaya hindi siya sunod-sunod. Nasuot niya na lahat, eh. Matalinong bata to. Sulit, masteral baby. Oh, hindi niya ma-figure out, eh. Oh. Mika, talo ka ng bunso. Tignan mo naman at kala ko ikaw ang pinakamatalino, eh. Oh. Miss me umangat sa'yo. Ganyan ka nung baby kayo. Naku, tumalik na wala na. Tignan mo. Very good. Hindi niya, nak, may kulang kasi. There's missing the violet one. Miko! Miko, hagis mo sa kanya yung violet. Don't walk kasi maano. Oh, hindi niya ay!
Ilalim ng sofa.
Lalim ng sofa ata Saang sofa? Green, may violet pa. Yun! Kulang pala ang color. I-rotate mo si Princess dito. Dito, nak. Hindi ko siya ma-video, hindi niya alam Yan. Kasi yan. Pakita mo yung pinakamalaki. The yellow one. Give her the yellow ring. The yellow ring. No. Yay! Miko, just give the ring. Let her insert the ring. No. Okay, yan. Just guide her.
No.